everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to draw from Drawing Shape by Shape again. Today we're going to draw a little robot using some squares. So I'm going to draw today in black for right now. I will be probably switching colors around just to give him some little bit more color. Grab your pencils, paper, color crayons, markers, whatever you're going to draw with today, and let's get started. So we're going to start today by drawing two squares. You want the squares to be similar in size, so don't go too big or don't go too small. You want to be able to have them close to the same size and have your robot all stay on your paper. So we're going to start by drawing one square. And then I'm going to move down just a little bit and I'm going to draw my second square. So there are my two squares. I'm going to switch colors because I want to give him a little bit more color. And this is going to be his neck, his kind of legs. They're not quite legs, but they're pretty close. So we're going to give him two lines right here to connect his neck. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle that's skinny coming out of the bottom. And then to give him a little bit wider base to stand on, I'm going to switch colors again. I'm going to give him kind of this shape. And I'll show it to you there. There we go. Then we're going to go back and work on his body some more. So switching back to my black, I'm going to give him two half circles coming out of here, and those half circles are going to act kind of like his shoulders. So coming out and down, coming out and down. So there we go. There he's got some shoulders going on. Now we're going to draw his arms, and I'm going to switch back to my navy blue color because that's what color I've been doing the rest of his extra body parts. So we're going to draw just two skinny rectangles coming down, and we want it to be just a little bit longer than that second square we drew because we don't want to have our hands run into that square. So there we are with his arms. And then I'm going to switch back colors again. I'm going to switch to red because we're going to make his hands look like magnets. So a magnet, we're going to do the classic magnet look. So that's kind of a double U shape. So I'm going to draw me that first U shape. Come over a little bit on both sides, going in, and then you're going to draw me that second part of that U. We're going to do that on the other side as well. Move my eraser so it's not in my way. So I'm going to start with that U shape, coming in on both sides, curving up, and then I've got a little bit of extra going on, so I'm going to go ahead and erase some of that. So there we have our hands and our arms. So now we need to add a few more details to make this guy look more like a robot. So I'm going to add some, I don't know, receivers to his side of his head. I think that's what you'd call them. We can give him kind of the look like these are movable. So make those lines look like going across it so it looks like he can move his arms and his legs. Maybe move his body a little bit. Maybe he gets to hop around. So drawing me those horizontal lines. Then let's go ahead and give him a face. So I'm going to switch back to my black again. So I'm going to draw some oval eyes for him. And give him some circle eyeballs. Now, if you want to change your shape on your eyeballs, go for it. If you want to make the center part of your eyeballs a little bit bigger, go for it. I'm going to make these just a little bit bigger. They're a little small. Going to give him a little bit of a mouth. Just a little bit of a hint of a mouth. And kind of some cute little eyebrows. Okay, my guy looks kind of like he's smiling. If you want to make him look like he's a little bit worried, a little bit more frowny, erase your mouth and you can give him a little bit more of a curved down look. Looks like he's a little bit more worried. It's kind of your choice. Let's go ahead and give him the antenna coming out the top of his head. And we can make it look like he's receiving data by giving him some little lines coming out from it. And then we need to finish off our magnets. So down here you can go ahead and draw a line right here, and that'll finish off those magnets. Now if you want to color those in so they look like magnets, you're going to take your red, you can go ahead and color in just the top part. You're going to leave the end white. If you want to give them a little bit more color, you could color in your little dot up there red. Now, if I were coloring this, I would color his body all one color, and then I'd probably color this down here with red so it matched kind of the magnets. If you want to give him a design in here or some buttons, something like that, go for it. I'm going to go ahead and give him a couple rows of buttons. So give him a circle button. Let's change colors. Circle button, square button, maybe another circle button, and another square button. And then I'll give him a logo. I'll give him a nice letter B for Baden. So make my bubble letter B. Maybe give him some fans, air fans going down the one side, or just more buttons going down the sides. You choose. Be creative. Have some fun. Give him some color. Now, after that, choose where he's going to be. Where is your robot going to be? What can he do? Could you adjust his arms so it's going out to the side and he's maybe pulling something or trying to attract something like that? Be creative, have fun. Make him a little bit more scientific, maybe make him a little bit more cartoony. You choose. I gave you the basics, now you get to be creative. Love to see your stuff, so don't forget to shoot me a picture on Dojo or go ahead and email it to me at my school email. Talk to you guys later. Miss you lots.